We're going to demonstrate sequence training with our 67-year-old lady. She had helped us out doing some of the sit to stand tests earlier, and we noticed she's putting more weight on one of her legs. We are in the main menu under activity based, and I'm going to click on sequence training. All right, this lets me choose from 4 different modules under sequence training. I'm going to choose a weight bearing type of activity for our client today. So I'm going into weight shifting training and choosing the module called weight bearing. Under this module, we get to see how much weight she's putting on her right leg or her left leg. I'm going to be doing an activity in sitting with the boxes on here, similar to what we had set up for our sit to stand test. So I'm going to have you come around front here, have a seat. All right. And now when I bring this screen up, I'm going to click on lateral direction. I get a choice of how much weight I want to allow her to put on each leg. So I'm going to take these bars right here and raise them up to 55, which is 55% of her weight. Okay, if she stands in the middle and is 50% on each leg, that would be equal weight bearing. When she gets up and down from a chair, we noticed from her test that she tends to put more weight on her right leg. So on this screen, she's going to be able to perform a sit to stand exercise and get some visual feedback back on how much weight she's putting on each of her feet. So I'm just going to start this little screen here. And this shows me that just in sitting on the box like that, you have a little more weight to your left side. So let's see what happens when you stand up. Go ahead and stand up. Oh, she's conscious of it now. Have a seat. Great. All right. Go ahead and stand up. And have a seat. So that's actually, she's doing really well on this one. All right. Stand up for me. And now that she's done 3 of them, she does start to shift more of her weight onto her right leg. So keep those bars yellow. This is going to be your job, is to keep the bars yellow at 50-50, 50% on each leg, as you sit down slowly. Nice job. Okay, oh, a little green at the bottom. And now same thing going up. Go up slowly this time and try to keep them yellow. Good. See how that gives you some feedback on how you're doing? You want to do one more and see if you can do a little bit better? Going down is good. Going up is harder, huh? Last one, you can stay standing. Much better. Okay, so she was able to shift her weight off her right leg until she was all the way up. Good job. Thank you, Liz.